Okay, so let's get warmed up by playing with our vowel sounds again. So every time, every word that you're going to make is going to have the sound at the beginning and the P sound at the end. I think I'm going to scoot you a slightly closer to me so that you can see better. There we go. All right, so adding that vowel sound app, map. Change the a to ep, mep. Change the e to I. Ip, mip. Change the I to ah. Op, mop. And change the ah to up. Mop. All right, let's do the same thing, only this time your beginning sound will be H. The ending sound will be N. All right, go ahead and add that vowel. An, han. Change the a to en, hen. Change the e to I, in, hin. And change the I to on, han. And the last one, change the to un, hun. All right, let's go ahead and review a few of our sounds. Let's talk about what is that sound for letter T. You remember that ticking timer? T, 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 t. And for letter S, those sausages that are sizzling. Ready? S, 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 s. And that short A sound that you hear in the middle of the word lamb. And when he needed help, he would say ah, 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 ah. And the last one that we'll do is the letter M for our monkey here. Ready? We're going to be making some words with those sounds. The first word that I want to make is the word mats. Mats. Like we spread out the mats in gym class so we could do some tumbling. Mats. Is the first sound you hear. Mat. Hear that T sound? Mats. And there's more than one mat, so we're going to put an S on the end. Mats. All right, let's do another word. Let's do the word maps. Maps. Can we do maps? We've got that M sound again. Map. Maps. More than one map. So we have map, and then more than one, add that S. Maps. All right, let's change maps by only changing one letter to taps. How would we do it? We have to change that beginning sound, right? Maps to taps. We could add that letter T. Taps. Taps. All right, let's change taps to pats. Pats. So we're going to need a P at the beginning, at, and a T. So we kind of change the places of P and T there. At, pats. Good. All right, now here's your tricky word. Let's use all of these letters. There are 6 letters. Let's use them all to make the word stamps. Stamps. Now, when you hear the S on the end of the word, meaning more than one stamp, you can just hold on to it for a second and just do the word stamp and then add your S at the end. So let's do stamps. What do you hear? S at the beginning, right? That S. Now, there's a blend. That T. So it's an ST blend. Stamps. And there's that A sound. Now, there's going to be an ending blend in the word stamp. So it's hear it? Stamp. With a P on the end. Stamp. That's the word stamp. But if you want it to mean more than one stamp, you have to add an S to the end. So now you made the word stamps, stamps. Now, the reason we made these words is you will be working with these words today as you do page 72 in your reading workbook. You have to read the sentence and then figure out which word best fits in that sentence. So the first one says, Sam blank on a rock. And you can see the picture of Sam here, and he sat on a rock. So you are going to go down here and find what word best fits in there. So at. It would be sat, S-A-T, sat. So you'll circle it up and write it in that blank. And you'll do the same kind of thing with the other 3 examples on the page. So page 72, and when you're all done, you can upload your work to Schoology. This is so exciting. We are reading words.